gonna do a lot of story on my YouTube, because here is people kind of little bit jealous. I don't understand why, but what are jealous about, isn't it? So this is Makapaca's face, yeah, and you have to go to 99 shop, get some nail tools, you know, they're 99. So Makapaca face like that, we're gonna do this, okay, and we're gonna do story again, okay guys. So that's gonna be go here. It's about you, you know, your brain gonna start working, because more you work with your hand, more you think different. I'm just gonna do smile here. I didn't realize how much I love you and how much you make me happy. Honestly, you make me such a happy. That's why I'm kind of can't do videos a lot when I talk. So you do the hand like that and you attach the hand, okay? If you can't smooth it, just do with your hand. If you don't have a tool, just do with your hand, okay? You're thinking, what I'm trying to prove in life, because time is going, you know. But I like cartoons. This beautiful dress. Oh, guys, let's do a Makapaca with beautiful dress, shall we? What do you think? Yeah. Look, we do like that. Yeah, and we're gonna dress it, the skirt. So we're gonna put like that, yeah. And I show you how to do with toothpick. Yeah. Thank you, I believe first too. Oh yeah, that's how old are you? I'm quite old, guys. You know, I have a gray hair. But I love you guys. I laugh a lot. So you do like that, yeah, you keep pushing, put the toothpick and just don't press in the middle. Press like that. Yeah, press like that. You just keep pushing that like a wave, and you just push this one like that. Yeah, guys. So you just have to press that. Take that like that, guys. You put on the floor, not on the floor, on the table. Keep your stick like that, and press it in the middle. Don't press in there, not in here, not in there. Just a little bit here, and press it. Yeah, and keep going like that. Okay. Yeah, you just keep going like that, and you will see how you doing the skirt. I love you, person. Oh, thank you, princess. Thank you. Is it Nikki's ears part? Yeah, because I wear AirPods. They damage my ears, guys. Don't wear them, honestly. I tell you guys, don't wear them. In front. So that's Makapaca's skirt. So we're gonna do her bake now. I'm gonna put in the oven and let her bake. Makabella. Oh, Makabella, guys, Makabella, beautiful. Yeah, Makabella. Oh, guys, thank you so much, guys. I hope you liked the story. Thank you. So we're gonna do pink, guys, like you said. Pink dress. She's gonna have a pink dress. Okay, it's yeah, she just kind of she's very rich girl, actually. I love story. Oh, thank you. It's a little bit settled.
Guys, next tutorial, minions, don't miss it. Thank you.